Welcome to Virtual Forklift Live, the industry's only interactive forklift training in virtual reality that is multi-user and interactive. With Virtual Forklift Live, there are no physical boundaries to overcome when teaching a standard forklift safety class. Curriculum can be from any PowerPoint because it is uploaded and used interactively. Videos can also be played right on the screen. Students can be from anywhere in the world, as long as they have a Meta headset and access to the internet. One of the most exciting uses of Virtual Forklift Live is the interactive training in our schools and trade techs. When partnered with industry, students at the local schools can review forklift safety and perform driver training drills under the remote guidance of qualified instructors. As shown here, our instructor from Wolter, a local Wisconsin forklift dealer, is teaching a forklift safety class using the training materials provided by Forklift University and Virtual Forklift. Students in multiple locations can sit in and learn proper forklift safety from an experienced industry trainer. Because Virtual Forklift Live is interactive, important training tools have been added to prepare students for proper safety protocols when they enter the forklift workforce. One of those is a forklift inspection. Equipment inspections are mandatory, and operators must know how to conduct a proper inspection. Trainers can use the inspection module, allowing them to point out the different parts of a forklift. The pointer laser is used to select and highlight each inspection item. The interactive pop-up provides basic information about the item, while the instructor can add more details to the discussion. Once the training has been completed and inspection procedures have been reviewed, the instructor and students can move into the driving modules. There are two basic modules that the instructor can use to teach and evaluate student forklift driving skills. The first is the custom driving module. It allows the instructor to set up a custom driving course by moving cones and floor pallets in any pattern the instructor wishes. This allows the instructor to arrange a driving course based on the skills they want to assess. This is similar to the real-life driver training programs that instructors use to test and teach forklift operators every day. The second module is a structured evaluation course. By requiring an operator to pick up a specific pallet and move it to a specific location across the warehouse, the instructor can watch and evaluate the student's skill, just like the evaluation required in the OSHA guidelines. The pallet to pick up flashes green for the driver, and the drop-off is a big green box. This provides the student with a clear visual reference for the test. Virtual Forklift is a unique and powerful interactive forklift simulator and can help train the next generation of material handling professionals in a safe and realistic setting. Cooperation between education and industry is enhanced with this training tool, and new operators enter the workforce at a higher level because they are work-ready on day one. For more information on virtual forklift simulators, contact your local dealer or go to virtualforklift.com for a dealer near you.